welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Love Me hair wig install. You guys know I stan Love Me hair and this bob wig is everything. So for those of you that don't know, Love Me hair actually produces game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs deliver uncompromising quality. They are ready to go wigs at a really good and affordable price. Switching it up is everything, and you guys know me, I love me some glueless wigs, and Love Me hair has so many different glueless wigs to choose from. All of them are super easy to install and they're super beginner friendly. This particular one is their water wave wig. Now it comes with this C part already defined for you. Not to mention, you guys, this wig is 100% glueless and it is the perfect wig to have for the summertime. Some things that I like about this wig is that it is time saving, it's beginner friendly, it's glueless, it's easy to maintain. If you watch my hair tutorials, then you guys know that water wave wigs are like my favorite curly textures because it is so easy to maintain the hair. This wig is pretty versatile and it also has a ton of volume. So with that being said, let me show you guys how quick and easy and painless it was to install this wig, and I'm also going to give you guys a full unboxing as well. you guys, so comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this beautiful wig. Again, I love the fact that it's 100% glueless. I love how versatile it can be. I love how easy it is to maintain these curls. Also how effortless it was to install and style the wig in itself. She has the undetectable lace, which I live for, and I also love the fact that this wig has little to no lace to work with and the part is already defined for you. These curls are so fluffy and luxurious. I love the little bang action here, and as I mentioned before, this is the perfect summer style because it's easy to put on and take off, and it's extremely lightweight. What more can you ask for? So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box down below. I will have the direct link to this wig specifically there for you guys to go ahead and purchase it on your own. You guys know I rave about Luvme hair all the time, not only because of their high quality, uncompromising quality type of wigs, but honestly I just love the brand altogether, and I love what they stand for, and I love the fact that they think about the everyday girls first, the girls who just need a quick unit to just throw on and go, and it looks natural and it's easy to put on and take off. So make sure you guys go ahead and click that link in my description box down below. Thank you so much for tuning in to another wig install of mine. I will see you guys next time. Bye.